kids, and welcome to today's session. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. The chapter for today's session is shapes. Now children, we see a lot of things around us. They all have certain form. That form is called the shape. For example, the bed in your bedroom, the furniture in your house, the table in your drawing room, in your bedroom, that has certain form, and that form is called its shape. The cutlery you use, the plate, the bowls, the glass you use for your eating, like for having your meals, they all have certain form. They may be round, they may be square, they may be cylindrical. So they all have certain shape. Everything around has certain form, and that is called the shape. Today in this session, we'll talk about some shapes. So the first shape is rectangle. Rectangle, it has 4 sides. The 2 opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Now, can you give me a few examples of rectangle? Can you remember that? The shape of the blackboard in your class, it is rectangle. Have you ever noticed the shape of your mobile phone? It is rectangle. That you keep on scrolling to watch your reels, but have you noticed its shape? It is rectangle. So these are the examples, very common example that has shape rectangle. Now another shape is cuboid. Cuboid, have you ever noticed the shape of a box? It is cuboid, on which you pack your stuff or whatever we receive the parcel from any site, they pack it in a box. Have you noticed the shape of that box? It is cuboid. Now the next shape is triangle. It has 3 sides. Now the pizza that you order, you love to have, is round in shape. But when you take out a slice, it is triangle in shape. Have you ever noticed the shape of hanger on which you hang your clothes in your cupboard? That is, if you have not noticed, then go and see. The shape of your hanger is triangle. Now, the next shape is cone. The birthday caps that we wear on others' birthday, on our birthday, that is in the shape of cone. Now, the next shape is circle. That is round in shape. It has no sides, no corners. The shape of sun in the sky. It is round in shape. It has shape circle. The shape of the CD is circle. Now, the next shape is sphere. The ball, the shape of a ball with which you play, it is round in shape. It has shape sphere. Now, the next shape is square. It has all the 4 equal sides. The shape of window in your house is square. The shape of the chessboard. Have you ever played chess? So, chessboard has square shape. Now, the shape of that Ludo board is square. And the shape of the dice with which you play is cube. So, the next shape is cube. The shape of that dice with which you play Ludo, snake and ladder, it has numbers from 1 to 6 on 8. Whichever number you get, you move that much according to the number you get on the dice. So that has shape cube. So children, I hope now you're able to recognize the different shapes around you. With this is the end. I'll see you in the next session.